are coming late, joining late, and
Sir, it was
trying
actually
to
I need to
go
change my
early.
device.
So 10 minutes, you took 10 minutes. Why not you are changing earlier? During the class, you are doing everything.
Sir, because I was in another
So,
class,
which
so
subject you have test?
sir, maths.
Maths, very good. You have maths test, but you don't have any significance on physics. Huh?
Sir, I don't get it.
I am saying that you don't have any importance for physics.
Sir, if there is any test, then I ask for the teachers. So you don't know that if I ask or not.
No, you if you are saying that you have another subject test now in the physics class time, then another subject time if I take the test, will you take it easily or the other teacher will take it easily? Huh? Karim?
Sir,
Hello?
it is just for today.
It's just for today. Today today is also important. So try to avoid this kind of thing, huh? Because maybe you made something wrong. That's why you you have to take this time. Otherwise, other teacher will not compel you to take this time, isn't it? Hello,
Yes, sir.
that is the main problem. So you try to avoid this kind of thing because you are still lagging behind. Other students they have finished thermal physics. You are still left with thermal. That's why I have to take extra classes for you. Okay, and now you are starting webs. I gave you some work. Did you do that? Karim? Hello.
Not whole.
So general web properties, I told you to read the notes and try the worksheet. Tamjid already did and he sent me the work. Complete worksheet done. That one he sent me through email. Through his WhatsApp he sent. So I will check it. But still your one is left. I need also same
Uh,
activity from you so that we can go fast. We should start the full mock very soon, right? After finishing all these topics, isn't it?
yes, sir. I just
Karim?
printed it today. I thought that we would do it. Yes, I would do it.
Hmm. So try to do, huh? Because today we have class, then again Saturday we have class. After that again Thursday. So you are getting time, right, in between. And this
Yes,
announcement
sir.
I gave at least a few days back, not today. So by this time you should have done this. So you will promise me that you will do it quickly.
Yes, sir.
And besides, I am giving after this class today. After the class is over, I will give also the notes and worksheet on light. Another topic. That one also you have to go through, and you should identify which part you don't understand, and you should tell me in class that sir, this part I did not understand. This part I did not understand. That one I can discuss, right? Isn't it?
Yes.
If you cooperate me, then it will be good for you. You will be benefited. Okay. Hello, Karim.
Sir.
So you
Yes, sir.
promise me that you will do it, then I can
Yes, sir.
let
I
you go
do.
today. Otherwise, like Amin sir, I will stop you to go. I will tie with you on, very strong pillar and will not let you to go. Okay, Karim?
Yes, sir. I do.
Inshallah. So now you take part till 45, right? 9:45 you will be staying with us, right? Hello?
Sir, if you want, I can stay till 10.
Okay, okay. Thank you so much. We will do till 10 inshallah together. I want you to continue till 10:30. Why I will not want? You said me 9:45, that's why I mentioned that. Okay, now we are discussing transverse wave, right? Hello, Tamjid?
Yes, sir.
जी सर हैं.
Yes, already you said about longitudinal wave. A longitudinal wave are parallel. How this is parallel? You see, the energy transfer direction or the wave. This is attached to this end. So wave is going towards this direction. You are giving energy here, and energy is going to the right side, isn't it? Till to the end of this spring. So how this vibration is happening? Vibration of the particle is happening right and left. Right and left, when it is vibrating, we say it parallel. Why? Because the angle between energy and the vibration direction either 0 degree or 180 degree. Do you understand it? Why? How it is 0 degree? How it is 180 degree? Hello.
Yes sir.
Yeah. Karim, you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. When it is compressed, that time it is 0 degree, making with the energy transfer rate. When it is expanded, that time we have 180 degrees. So in both the cases, it is parallel with the energy transfer direction. And transverse wave, yeah, Karim, what is called transverse wave?
Sir, in which the form wave.
Hmm. Yeah, which one has energy transfer direction and the particles vibration are perpendicular, right? Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
That is called transverse wave. So can you give me some examples of transverse wave, Karim?
Sir, sound, light.
Sound.
Yes, sir,
Sound,
sound, light.
sound is transverse or sound is longitudinal?
Sir, transverse.
No. Light is transverse. Water wave is transverse. Then all the electromagnetic waves, those are transverse. Seismic S wave, this is transverse. And this one is written in this worksheet. You should learn it, huh? All the
But
examples are
sir,
given.
don't we represent means whenever in oscilloscope in sound there is like this is the peak, this is the peak, or
Yeah,
like this.
we convert it into electrical signal. That time the sound wave is shown like that, but the way sound wave is produced in air, sound wave travels through air, right, or any other
Yes, sir.
mediums. That time the
Sir,
particles
water
vibration
and
is,
solid.
yeah, uh, the vibration of particle is back and forth, okay, right and left. That's why sound wave is
Oh, they are pushing
longitudinal.
the
Yeah,
pushing on the medium. They're going through the medium, so
yeah,
pushing each other.
yeah. You forgot it. You know it, but you forgot it. So you should remember them by going through these notes. Okay, all the examples are given
Yes, sir.
here, right? All the examples are given here. You should learn them. Okay, now law of reflection, you know, right? Angle of incidence equals angle of
Yes,
reflection.
sir.
And what is called wavefront? Do you know? Do you know what is
Yes,
called
sir.
wavefront? What is called wavefront?
Uh, I heard it. Okay, what is that? What is that? What is that? Wavefront.
Hmm.
Is it the source from where it is coming from? No, 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 no.
Yeah, Tamjid,
Wave.
wavefront. Tamjid, wavefront.
Hmm. Wavefront sir, क्यों definition बोलो?
Yes, yes.
Um, it's an imaginary line which shows the position of all the points, all the parallel points
Hmm.
at a fixed position or
Yeah.
on a fixed
So
wave.
you are very close. So learn it. Huh? This definition also comes in O level. Sometimes they are
Sir, is it
asking.
like if we join peak to peak, then it is a wavefront?
Read here. Read.
A surface
Quickly read.
containing points affected in the same way by a wave given time.
Again read.
A surface containing points affected in the same way by a wave at a given time.
So you understand it. At the same time,
Mm,
the same direction the particles are going. That points. Hmm. If you are thinking of a surface, all these points are working on the same surface. Okay. So wavefront is a surface. Wavefront is a surface,
surface.
yeah, containing points affected the same way, the same time. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So here is one definition. Another definition is given. Can you read this one also? Read loudly.
Yes, sir. An imaginary surface joining all points in space that are reached at the same instant by a wave propagating through a medium.
Very good. So same thing. They are saying here same instant means same time, and they are also mentioning here wave propagating through a medium. A little bit more explanation, right? But both are similar, right? Similar. This is shorter and this is a little bit bigger, so you can learn any one of them. Okay, for the definition of wavefronts, and we have two kinds of wavefronts here. One is parallel wavefronts, another one is circular wavefronts. It depends how the wave is produced. From straight dipper is produced, it is producing parallel wavefronts, and from the circular dipper we are getting spherical dipper. That one is giving us circular
Sir,
wavefronts. Is it clear?
sir, did your screen go black?
No? Are you seeing it
No, sir.
black?
No.
Yeah,
Yes, sir. I'm
Tamjid, are
seeing
you
it
seeing
totally
it
black.
black? Tamjid,
No, sir.
it's clear,
I
right?
can just see your cursor. I can
Yes.
just see your cursor, which is over here.
So you rejoin again. Okay. Maybe you have a network problem. Okay, Abir. Hello, Abir.
Yes, sir.
You missed discussion on transverse wave, longitudinal wave, then wavefronts. Okay, you please have a look, watch the recordings.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now we
Yes,
are
sir.
discussing some more aspects of general wave properties. You see, we have
Yes, so now I can
reflection.
see.
Yeah, reflection. You see, reflection, and we have refraction. In refraction and reflection, we have some important things. Uh, First, reflection. In reflection of waves, we have law of reflection, that is angle of incidence equals angle of reflection. And you see this is discussing about mainly water waves. And here you see when water wave is traveling, these are parallel wavefronts, and here is the reflector is returning back. Again we are getting the parallel wavefronts. Look, the gap between these two lines, it is showing you the wavelength. Do you know this? Hello?
Yes, sir.
The gap between these two lines, this is showing you wavelength. So when it's returning back, the wavelength is same, right? Because
Yes,
it's
sir.
returning back to the same medium. And another point is here, we know speed. Speed V, frequency F, and wavelength lambda. We have one formula that is V equals F lambda, right? Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So, Tamjid, are you listening? Tamjid, Abir, you should also reply.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So when we are giving the wave from the same source, it's coming from a source, the frequency is same. Frequency remains same always. And here, when it is reflecting back, that time speed is also same. That's why wavelength is also same. So during reflection, frequency is same, speed is same, wavelength is also same. Is it clear? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And sometimes you are getting drawings in this wave diagrams. That time when it is reflection, you should maintain it. The angle of incidence and angle of reflection should be equal, and the reflecting wave you are showing with arrow, the wave fronts also have the same gap, eh, so that we can understand they have the same wavelength. Is it clear? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now about the refraction, mainly we are dealing with the water wave here. In this general wave properties, we are having the water wave in ripple tank, and that one we are having shallow water and deep water. When water wave travels from deep to shallow region, that time it bends, and the gap you see here, gap between two wave fronts, two lines or two wave fronts is showing us the anything problem. When did you? Yeah, Karim, what you wrote? Sir, did you ask for the last worksheet which we did in last Saturday?
Yes, sir. In which after
Karim,
which we also give the
Karim,
test.
you are not seeing the uh, post I am giving in group or in the classroom.
Sir, I do.
So there I mentioned about the, you see our group message we see uh, here. Uh, Look, that one I gave Tuesday. Huh? Tuesday I gave this post. Did you see it?
I think I didn't notice this one.
Okay, Tuesday. It was Tuesday. Today is Thursday, and today is night. I this is 48 hours back, and this one also I wrote, and the Google Classroom also I gave the same time. So Google, from Google Classroom also you are getting the emails. Are you seeing the emails?
Sir, I frequently don't check my emails. I just
Yeah,
go
please,
through
please,
Google Classroom. And
you have to check it. You have to check it. You have to
okay,
check
sir.
because this is the way now. I cannot phone you, or I cannot directly contact you always. But if you check the email or messages in the group, you can find it. Huh? Check it. At least where I
Yes,
mentioned
sir.
you, I mentioned you here, right? In this message, I mentioned you all. You see? When someone is mentioning you, you should check that one, right? Here I mentioned you. All three I mentioned, and they both give the reply reacted, but you did not. Okay, fine. Next time you be serious, huh? Karim?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now we are going to our previous one. What I was saying that when wave is traveling from, we will also discuss it during the light one. Now we are understanding it for ripple tank water wave one. So it's going from deep to shallow. That time we are having smaller. You see, when it's going from deep to shallow, the wavelength becomes smaller. Wavelength becomes smaller. That means
Sir,
light
can we say
speed. Sorry.
sir, can we say decreases?
Okay. Okay. Yeah, decreases. Okay. Wavelength decreases. Then speed also decreases. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Because we already told you for the same source the frequency remains always same. So according to the formula V equals F lambda, if your speed is decreasing in the shallow water, then your wavelength is also decreasing. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
In Cambridge, uh, they are giving maximum questions related to refraction in water wave. This idea they are testing you. Do you know that if water wave goes from deep to shallow or shallow to deep, that how that's behaving in respect to frequency or in respect to wavelength or in speed, how it is changing or it's not changing? That way they are asking you. And in our worksheet we have some
Sir,
sample questions. Yeah, yeah.
sir, is it like it's going from a normal medium to a denser medium? Is it like this when
Is
it is going to a shallow?
you can think of that if it is deeper water, then we have more water, right?
Yes, sir.
It's not like the density one, like it has more water. So if the water is more, then the speed of water wave will be more. Now as the speed
Means
is
it is
more,
depending on the amount of water.
the amount of water, like depth of water, okay, depth of
Yes,
water,
sir.
and the frequency remains always same, huh? You remember it for any single source, the frequency remains always same. Is it clear? Now we are going to
Yes, sir.
questions. Our worksheet has some questions. We are going to discuss them regarding all these ideas. Like the first one, can you read it, Abir, quickly? Hello.
The number of crests of a wave passing a point per second.
Yes. So number of crest of wave passing a point per second. What could be the possible answer?
So A,
Per second. They are asking you per second. Per second.
So it will be
so then it
frequency.
would be frequency D.
It should be frequency. Number of crest per second means it's showing you every you see a point when number of crest passing a point. That means it's not only crest going, trough is also going, right? So if crest is passing and trough is passing, that means the complete wave is passing. So Number of waves passing per second, it is also equivalent to this. Our formula is number of complete cycles of
Sir, so
waves
the
in.
answer is Bangladesh.
Yeah, the answer is Bangladesh. Now the second one. Karim, you read this. Read loudly, Karim.
Yes, sir. A wave traveling. Sorry, you are lagging, by the way. A wave is traveling in water in a glass-sided tank. The diagram shows a side view of the wave at one instant. What are the amplitude and the wavelength of the wave? Sir, it would be B, Bangladesh.
Amplitude 4 and wavelength 10. Can you explain?
Yes, sir.
Explain how it is Bangladesh.
Okay, sir. Sir, I am just annotating. This is the peak, or we can say crest. So, from the initial point to the crest is one amplitude, or vice versa, which we can also say this is one of the other amplitude if it touches the x-axis. And a complete wavelength is this, but they only showed us
Uh,
5 centimeter for this much. So,
only
if we
they
just
showed us
double
the
it, means
trough, right?
yes, sir, only showed us the trough.
But we have also
So
crest.
they only showed us the half of
Yeah,
the means only half
okay.
of the wavelengths measurement. So just double it up and do.
So you understood it, Abir? Abir,
Yes, sir.
you understood it. Very good. Now, next one we are going. This one, question 5. Yeah, continue. Karim,
Sir,
continue 5.
can you just remove that annotation? 5. So what was the answer of 3?
Yeah. 5,
Sir, 3.
3. Okay. 3,
Yes, sir, 3.
3.
I have a confusion in 3,
Oh,
but
you
not
have
in
a
4.
confusion on 3. Okay, okay, okay. So you read it, read it, read
Okay,
it
sir.
quickly.
An earthquake travels through the solid surface of the earth from east to west. The solid surface vibrates in a north-south direction. How can the earthquake wave be described? So would it be longitudinal?
Yeah, let us go to other student. Uh, what about Tamjid? What is your answer about this?
Sir, this is transverse
Transverse. Why transverse?
because the earthquake's motion is from east to west and it vibrates north and south, so it's perpendicular
Hmm.
to each other. So it's D, transverse.
So you understood it, Karim?
Not well, sir.
Not well. East west. Where are you now? In your house, right?
Yes, sir.
So are you facing west or east? Which side you are facing?
Sir, I'm facing the way in which we read namaz.
Okay, that is west, right? Just your front is west,
East or
and
west? I don't know, sir.
isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so your front is west and your back is east, right? Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
And you now uh, you just raise your right hand,
Left
make
hand.
it
L-
your right hand you raise and you make it parallel to the ground.
Okay, sir, I did it. Should I raise
Then
it forward, backward, or right
no,
side?
no, no, just you raise it right side. Your right hand
Okay, sir, done.
you raise right side and your left hand you raise left side. It is horizontal to the ground, okay, both the hands.
Yes, sir.
Then you see uh, your face is
Facing
perpendicular,
west.
making perpendicular with your right hand and left hand, right?
Yes, sir. Yes,
So
sir.
it is perpendicular, right? Not parallel.
Yes, sir.
So you understood it is
Not parallel.
transverse.
Okay, sir. I think I got it.
Okay. Abir, you got it?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Now, question 3 is done. Now, question 5. Continue. Karim, continue.
Sir, it would be Bangladesh. Okay, sir. Question number 5. Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
A wave frequency of 13,000 hertz travel from 1300 meter in 4 seconds. What is the wavelength of the wave?
Yes. How will calculate the
Sir,
wavelength?
would it be
What is the formula?
V
V
equals
is
rho
equal to F
F
lambda?
lambda.
Yeah, V equals F lambda. Very good. Then, how will get it for wavelength? Lambda equals V by F.
Yes, sir.
So your F is given directly 13,000, and how will get V?
V is velocity, right? Meter per
Yes.
second.
So
So
it
it
will
would be
be
13,000 divided by 4.
1300
Okay,
divided by
so
4, right?
1300 divided by 4 is 3 to 5. So 13,000 divided by 3 to
You,
5
you made
is
mistake. You
40.
made mistake. V by F. We said V by F. Lambda equals V by
V by
F.
F. I'm sorry, sir. I'm sorry, sir. 3 to 5
Three.
divided by 1, 3, 1 to 3. So it would be 1 by 40, which is 0.025, which would be America.
So it's clear to you, right? How
Yes,
to
sir.
do rearranging? You should be careful. Now the one we are discussing that time 6. Question 6
V
is
is
giving you
equal
the idea. So read it.
to lambda is equal to V by F, which would be 1300 by 4 into 3.
A.
Sir, was I supposed to read?
Yeah, 6.
Oh, I'm really sorry, sir. In
Hmm.
an experiment using a ripple tank, plane waterfront
Wavefronts. Eh?
arrive at a plane surface. Which row correctly describes the wave after they reflect from the surface? So would it be Bangladesh? No, not Bangladesh. Wavelength won't change. So would it be Dhaka?
Yes, it is Dhaka. Abir, did you
Yes,
Sir,
understand the
yes,
answer
sir.
why it is Dhaka?
Yes, sir.
It's
sir.
reflection, right? If it is reflection, then everything is same, right? Speed,
Yes, sir.
wavelength, frequency, everything same.
Uh,
Yeah, Abir, read it. 7. Question 7.
The diagram shows
sir,
a ball.
you guys are really lagging. I don't know it is my internet problem or yours, but I didn't understand.
Okay, Abir, read please.
The diagram shows a ball floating in a tank of water. Which diagram shows the movement of the ball as the wave passes? Sir, I think it will be D or D.
Dhaka.
Yeah, what's your answer,
The
Abir?
diagram shows the pattern of a wave and
D.
ripple tank.
Dhaka.
Both the patterns
Dhaka,
show
yes. It should be Dhaka. It's transverse wave, right?
America.
Water wave is
Both
transverse
up
wave.
and down the wave
Yes,
passes
sir.
through.
And from the rest position, we have the vibration. You see, down of the down of the rest position and also up of the rest position, right? That is transferring to the ball also, right? Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
It's not only it's only up, it's also down, right? Of the rest position. So the correct answer will be Dhaka. This one is easy. You can do it. Um, this one is also easy. Question number 12. Abir, read it. Question 12. Abir. Abir is there?
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Couldn't
read
hear you.
question 12. Question 12, quick.
Plain water waves travel from a shallow region into a deeper region. They move more quickly in deeper water. Which diagram shows the wave pattern in deeper water?
Yeah, which one? So it's going from shallow to deep, right?
Sir,
Yeah.
sir, I have problem in 11. So the real thing is that wave only
Okay,
transfers
okay.
energy,
Wait,
isn't it,
wait,
sir?
wait. Let us finish 12, then we'll go to 11, okay?
Okay, sir.
So what is the answer of 12? Abir, Tamjid. Hello, Tamjid.
जी sir.
Tamjid, yeah. What is the
So
answer
would
of
it
12?
be A?
Sir, it's
12. 12, the answer.
A. A.
America.
Why America? Can you explain?
Uh, yes sir, cause deeper গেলে speed বাড়লে wavelength বাড়ে.
So the gap, hello,
जी sir.
Yes, sir, we
the
can hear
gap,
you.
yeah, the gap you have here, uh, is the gap more here in A?
No, sir, I think it's almost the same.
So almost the same. So then how can you understand or how can you say the wavelength is increasing here?
Sir, so it would be C.
So it should be C, right? Have you understood?
Means an
जी sir.
increase in wavelength. We just only need to see this.
Hmm. So Tamjid, Abir,
হ্যাঁ.
have you understood why the answer is C?
Yes, sir.
जी sir.
Yes, you have to check the wavelengths. Gap between two lines, that is giving you the wavelength. Now 11,
Yes, sir.
right? 11 you have problem. Let us go to 11. Yes, read it.
Yes, sir. Which statement about wave is correct?
Yeah, which one is your answer?
Sir, I am really confused because
You are
they only transfer
confused.
energy, isn't it?
Wave transfer energy. It is correct. Yes, then
Without transferring matter. So it would be
without
C.
transferring matter. Yes. So
Yes, right.
that means the particles only
China.
vibrate in their place,
They just
up
transfer the
and down.
energy. Means the matter is the one which is transferring the energy.
Yeah, we we have matter means particles, right?
Yes, sir. They only are the matter.
So you understood it, or you still have doubt?
Yes, sir. No, sir. I was just thinking that was I wrong? Was I wrong? Means I was just
Okay,
okay.
now you
Confused.
tell us the answer of it. Question 13 you read.
So it would be China.
China.
Okay, sir. A
Frequency
water wave
does
moves
not change.
quickly in deep water
Okay, wavelength
and wavelength
decreases. Yes,
decreases.
correct. This one is correct. Very good. So
Thank you, sir.
whatever you are learning is working, right? Now 16.
Yes, sir. It
Same
is.
same idea of 11. Same idea of 11.
16. Okay. A toy boat floats on water in a tank. The boat is initially stationary. The stone is thrown into the tank, which causes a transfer wave to move across the surface. The diagram shows the view above the tank. Stone, wave, front, water, water. How does the boat behave when the wave passed it? It moves steadily away from the stone. It moves steadily to. It stays the same direction from where the stone is hit and vibrates up and down. T. Dhaka.
So it's clear, right, Abir? Hello, Abir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Are you
Yes.
are you clear about 16?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, 17 you read, Abir.
Which row correctly defines a type of wave and gives a correct example?
Just say the answer. Yeah. Abir, have you got the answer?
Sir, is it America?
No.
Then, sir, it would be Dhaka.
Radio waves are electromagnetic waves, right?
Yes, sir. I just forgot
Yeah,
that.
electromagnetic waves are light waves, similar thing. So they are transverse waves. Have you got it, Abir? 17. The answer is Dhaka. Okay. Hello.
Yes, sir. We can hear you.
Yeah,
I
Abir.
can hear you. I don't know about him.
Abir, have you understood? Hello. Abir is
Yes, sir.
there. Have you understood question 16?
Yes, sir. I'm able
Yes,
to.
sir.
20, 20. Read 20, Abir.
Waves travel more slowly on the surface of shallow water than on the surface of deep water. This diagram shows a wave traveling from a deep into shallow water.
Yeah, which one?
Sir, I think it will be B.
Sorry? Which one is your answer? If it goes from deep to shallow, then what will happen?
Hello. Speed will decrease.
Wavelength?
Decrease.
So what should be your answer?
Bangladesh.
Bangladesh. Yeah, Abir, what's your answer?
Sir, it will be Bangladesh.
Okay, very good. Then this one. Difference between longitudinal and transverse. It's very easy. You'll understand it. Then now B. Part B, 1B. Read, Abir, read.
Sir, the 1A would be like uh, longitudinal waves vibrate side by side and transfer wave in transfer wave particle vibrates up and down.
Yes, yes. With the energy transfer direction, one is perpendicular, another one is parallel. Okay. Now, Abir, are you reading? Part B. Hello, Abir. Okay. Tamjid, you read.
Okay.
Tamjid.
Vibrating rod produces a water wave in a ripple tank. Figure 1.1 shows the crest of the wave passing into the right hand section of the tank, where the depth of the water is different from the depth in the rest of the tank. Uh, Find the frequency. On figure 1.1, show the direction of travel of the wave in two sections of the ripple tank.
Hmm. So calculation, right? Calculate the frequency of the wave. Have you calculated, Karim?
Yes.
Karim, have you
No, sir,
calculated?
I'm calculating.
Do it fast.
Okay. The left turn section of the tank, the wave of the water is 0.019 and it travels at itna. Frequency would be the wave is itna meter, wavelength of the wave, and it travels from itna per second, meter per second. meter V is equal to F lambda. V is equal to F lambda. Lambda is equal to V by F. V is equal. Okay, আমাদের তো lambda দিবে। Okay. V is equal to F lambda. V is equal to F lambda. F is equal to lambda. Velocity meter per second. 0.17 by 0.019. Yes, sir. It would be 8.9473 blah 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 meter per second. No, not
8
meter per
point.
second. It would be meter square per second, I think. Yeah. Yes, sir. We would imply the formula V is equal to F lambda. And for getting the frequency, we would get F is equal to V by lambda, and lambda is our wavelength. So it would be like 0.17 by
So what is
0.019.
your answer? Tell me what is your answer.
8.947.
Okay, correct. It is correct. What about Abir? Abir, you calculated? Hello, Abir, have you calculated? Okay.
Sir,
And
would it be
next,
meter square per second?
no, frequency is hertz. Hertz
Oh
or
yeah,
per
it is.
second. Per second. You can write per second or hertz. Okay.
No, sir. Would it be meter square per second or meter per second?
Only per
Hertz.
second. Per second you don't understand.
Yes, sir. I understand per second.
So per second means this way. Only this. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Then
State what
continue
happens to the
next part.
frequency.
Next part. Quick. Part 2.
State what happens to the frequency of the wave as it passes into the right-hand section of the tank. The speed decreases, wavelength decreases.
What about frequency? They are asking you about the frequency.
Frequency, it stays the same.
Same. Always frequency remains the same. Remember it. Don't make a mistake. Yeah, then next.
So the answer would be stays the same or
Yes,
stays
yes,
same.
same. It is same.
Okay, using figure 1.1, state and explain what happens to the speed of the wave as it passes into the right-hand section of the tank.
Yeah,
State and explain what happens to the speed of the wave.
what happens to the speed?
The speed decreases. The speed
Speed
decreases
decreases. Speed decreases as
as the wavelength decreases.
yes. So it's clear.
So speed decreases because or due to the decrease of wavelength.
Wavelength. Wavelength decreases. Yes.
Because wavelength
So you wrote here wavelength. Huh?
decreases.
Tamjid. Hello, Tamjid.
Yes, sir.
This one you gave wavelength. Should correct it, huh?
ও হ্যাঁ এটা ফ্রিকোয়েন্সি হবে
Then this one is correct. And this one amplitude Q P. This is correct. This is correct. This is correct. Yeah, we'll come back again, huh? Wait. Then this one. Question 2.
Yes, sir.
Wave
Question two.
motion. Wave motion is very simple. You know it, right? What is wave motion? You give the definition of wave. What is the definition of wave?
So it is given in your notes.
Hmm? In notes it's available, right? Not in your head. Can you say, Tamjid, what is wave motion?
Yes, sir.
yes sir it's the propagation of disturbances
Disturbance that carry energy from
that
place to
carry energy
place
from
in
one place to
regular
another
and organized ways.
Yes. So,
Wait, আমার mic on ছিল?
সারন নোটস
yes.
দেখা বলছে এটা হইবে না
So, it's about the
আমি তো
transfer.
বলতে চাই নাই, এটা তো মাইক বলে অন ছিল।
It's okay. It's okay. Your definition is also correct. It's not necessary that you have to
But
use
it
the
was
same
actually your
wording.
definition.
It's not necessary to use the same wording by everyone. If your concept is coming, your ideas are coming, then your definition is correct. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Your definition is correct, Karim. Thank you. Now,
Sir, actually it was your definition.
yeah, weird, but it's not incorrect. But maybe it is weird to you. Maybe other people will like it.
Sir,
Hmm.
so the definition, can it be like that the disturbance in the particle or the disturbance in the particle due to the transfer of energy is called wave? Like that,
Yes.
something like that, I think.
Yeah. What you said, it is correct. This, this is propagation of energy due to the disturbance of the particle. Okay. Wave is
Propagation
propagation
of energy
of energy
due to
due
the
to the
disturbance of the
disturbance of the
particle.
particles. Yes. This is the definition. Now wording can be different. Okay.
Propo-
Now
propagation
frequency you
of
know, wavelength you know. Now this one drawing. We should
Okay,
know
sir.
how to
It
draw
is
it.
propagation of energy due to disturbance of particle.
Yes.
মুখস্থ
Now
হয়ে গেছে।
how can you draw it?
Okay, a water wave in a ripple tank strikes a barrier. Show some of the wavefront in the. Okay, sir, it would be just এইটা আমাদের সারফেস ধরতে হবে, এটা যে অ্যাঙ্গেল আসছে এটাও
Hmm.
সেই অ্যাঙ্গেলে যাবে। So as this point is like this, মানে সবগুলির এখানে 90 ডিগ্রি আসতেছে, তো আমরা এইখানেও সবগুলিতে 90 ডিগ্রি রাখবো।
আমার মনে হয় তোমার আইডিয়াটা ঠিক আছে, কিন্তু বেশি ইয়ে হয়ে গেছে, তো ক্লামজি হয়ে গেছে, তো একটু আরেকটু ইয়ে করে করি, ক্লিয়ার করে করি না। তোমাকে যেটা করতে হবে
Yes, sir.
ফার্স্ট যেটা করতে হবে সেটা হচ্ছে যে আমরা তো ল অফ রিফ্লেকশনটা এখানে ফলো করতে হবে, রাইট? You have to follow the law of reflection. So
Yes,
draw
sir.
the normal first here. Huh? This is normal, right? Then according to the law of reflection, your reflected wave direction should be same angle, right? This
Yes, sir.
angle, This angle and this angle should be same, right? Isn't it? These two
Yes,
angles
sir.
should be equal. And after drawing your direction, your work is 90% done. Now what you have to draw? The parallel wavefronts. Correct it, Tamjid? On your drawing, you correct it. I saw it from my mobile, from Drive. And when you are drawing the lines parallelly, they should be perpendicular with the direction. Okay, like this one. You see, these wavefronts are perpendicular with the direction. So while you are drawing wavefronts here, those should be also perpendicular. Okay, and the gap should be same because we know wavelengths they are same, right? When they are reflecting back, the speed wavelength is same, so you maintain it. This gap and here this gap should be same. My last one is not that much, you know, gap is not same, that's why I'm removing it. Here it should be gap similar. Okay, hello Abir.
Yes, sir, we can hear you.
Abir,
Yes, sir.
are you seeing how to draw it?
Yes, sir. I saw.
Yeah, you should follow the law of reflection here. In light worksheet, you should take the printout. If you couldn't take the printout yet, please take the printout because we have lots of drawings here. And without the diagram, you cannot draw it, printed one. So Tamjid, hello Tamjid, Tamjid.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, are you seeing it?
Yes, sir.
The
Computer
correction,
hang slow.
yeah, correction I am showing you the angle. You should draw one reflected wave direction first, and for that you should draw normal. Angle of incidence, angle of reflection are equal, and this wave fronts gap, you should draw the wave fronts there which are perpendicular with the direction. You see this direction and this wave fronts are perpendicular. Okay, so your reflected one also like that, the wave fronts should be perpendicular. You first draw this arrow, then draw these parallel lines. Okay, is it clear, Tamjid?
Yes, sir.
So do it, correct it. Now this one, I need the screenshot. Who is using mobile phone?
Sir, me.
Yeah, if please take the snap and send to group this one, this diagram.
Yes, sir.
Do it now in our group so that it can be
So the
recorded,
snap is
because this is
sir.
very much confusing by the learners. They, most of them, they do wrong in this drawing.
Sir, done.
Done, thank you.
Wait, sir. আবার একটু বলা যাবে এটা?
আবার বলবো? Okay, look,
হ্যাঁ,
here
last
we
time
have,
brief ভাবে.
should I explain again?
Yes,
Hello,
sir. একটু brief
Yes,
ভাবে
sir.
বলেন.
okay, look, here the direction of travel of incident wave, this is incident ray, like light, you get incident ray, this one. So according to law of reflection, we should have reflected ray like this, isn't it? Hello, Tamjid.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So we are
Yes,
maintaining
sir.
the angle, this angle and this angle are equal. This is normal, right? This is normal. So After getting the direction of the wave, what we have to draw? We have to draw the parallel wavefronts here, where the wavefronts will have the same gap between two lines. We have the same gap, so that we can say wavelength is same, speed is same, wavelength is same in the same medium, right? Is it clear?
Sir,
Is it clear, Tamjid?
sir,
Wait.
Yes, sir.
Tamjid,
Yes, sir.
uh,
Clear.
you understood it. And while you are drawing
Yes, sir.
this arrow and the parallel lines, you see they are perpendicular. You should maintain it, huh? Because here you see the parallel lines and the ray wave direction, it is perpendicular, making 90 degree. Okay. Okay. Now, Karim, your
sir, is
question.
my
Yes,
working
sir.
correct? Sir,
Which
I
one?
sent it in the group. Can you just see that?
Your
Sir, this one.
drawing.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'm checking. Wait.
I sent it in the group just now.
Okay, I'm checking. Just give me a minute. Let me check from here. Then that will be better. Everyone can see.
Sir, by the way, one question. Can
One by
we
one.
have
One by
our
one. One by
mistake
one,
out?
please. One by one, please. Just give me a minute. I'm checking. My brain is
No,
not
sir,
that
it's not
much
related to
active
this.
like you. It cannot work so much like your one. I have to concentrate in one thing.
So I'm just asking that.
Okay,
Okay, so
okay,
you just
wait,
do
wait,
it this
let
one
me finish.
first.
Let me finish. Okay, this one is the gap, right? Yes, correct, correct. Okay, your one
Yes,
is
sir.
correct also. Thank you.
Sir,
So you send it
I
in the group,
also
but
gave the.
you send it like horizontal way. Why you are sending it vertically? Send it horizontal
Sorry,
again,
sir.
so that everyone can understand and they can be benefited. That is class, right? All of us are benefited by each other. If you are single, this type of benefits will not come, never come. That's why I made it, together. Your three hands now together, then you are more stronger now, huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now
Sir,
this
can we take our own geometry box in the physics
where
paper 2 O levels?
O level exam you should take transparent bag. Okay, in transparent bag you can take scale.
Simply polythene.
Listen, you can take scale, you can take protector, you can take pencil, you can take eraser, but you cannot take that sharp things like compass things. Those are risky, right? And with
Okay.
I whatever I know, maybe they will allow you, but with some restrictions. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
But it should be transparent. Whatever you are taking, it should be transparent.
How can I take a compass transparent?
No, like in transparent bag so that they can see what you are taking.
Yes, sir.
Transparent poly bag. So this one now, question number 3. This one is obviously you need the printed one. Otherwise you cannot do, because its scaling is 1:8. So from here you have to take the gap between two wavefronts. The gap you have to take with ruler. How much it's coming? That one you have to multiply with 8 to get the wavelength. Yeah. Once you are getting the
Sir,
wavelength, yes.
Sir, in C they asked us to draw three waves. So
Where,
can we
where,
like
where?
in question two? Yes,
Question
sir.
to C.
So can we like draw? Yes, sir. Like I did it. Yes, sir. This is this one.
Yeah,
So, sir, can I like?
yeah. Can you like what?
Sir, I need to see the diagram first.
Yeah, say.
Yes, sir. I drew it like this. Means one for this, and estimating their length,
Yeah, your
their
drawing is
angle.
correct. Your drawing is correct.
No, sir. There was no other like. They didn't give us this over here. They didn't give us any of this one. Means any reflection over here. So, what I did was I take the value of this angle, then the length between them, then I just manipulated them.
Hmm. Hmm.
And then another one, which one was not here. So I just do it like this. So is it okay if I draw like this, or I need to just draw this one?
Let me check. It's very clumsy.
Okay,
Like
sir, let
your
me
one,
say it again.
your drawing I'm opening, that one you show.
Oh, then it would be easy.
Yeah, that will be easier. So your drawing is correct, exactly correct.
Sir,
No
like,
problem.
sir, I drew one for this, as you can see, another for this, means these two, which they have already given us. But what I did was like I just took their angles over here, then the distance between them, and then I drew another one over here which they didn't give us. Like if it would have been like it would মানে অনেকটাতে ওয়েভ ফ্রন্ট দিত সেটা এরকম হতো।
Listen,
তো
only you maintain what I said. That's it. Just you maintain this angle, hmm, and draw the parallel lines over here, which are perpendicular with this direction. Okay, perpendicular with this direction,
yes
but
sir,
the same gap should be maintained. That's it. You are maintaining here angle or not, the length of the, like here you should take big length. That's not the main concern. Main concern is you are giving the direction correctly with following the law of reflection, and the wavelength of the reflected waves you are showing correctly or not. That's it. You have here 2 marks, right? So 2 marks is for
yes sir,
that. These two things maintaining. Now this one is done, right?
yes sir.
Okay, now we are going to
So sir, with this I will just take my leave because it's already 10 past 19.
19. So only 11 minutes left. Our class will be over today.
Yes sir.
So you want to leave now or you will stay 11 minutes?
Yes sir, because it is becoming late and there is a whole bunch of syllabus I need
Okay,
to
okay,
just
okay.
go
Go,
through.
go. Thank you for
Thank you
being
sir.
with us, and try to maintain these
Yes sir.
instructions I told you. Okay?
Yes sir.
Allah Hafiz.
Assalamu alaikum sir.
Wa alaikum salam. So Abir and Tamjid is here, right? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Abir, do it, huh? This worksheet you do
Yes, sir.
quickly and send me your,
Yes, sir. I'm doing.
yeah, do it and send me. Look here, you have the printout,
No, sir. I'll print it.
you print it, huh? Now, what he got, I'm showing you. taking time to come. Okay, I'm taking from mobile. So what you got here? V equals F lambda, right? And 5 hertz you got. Frequency you have to find. You got 0.15, 0.013, 0.03. Okay, this one is done. About this 11.2, 1.4 into 11.2. Okay, it's game. You please write here the unit, huh? Tamjid, write here the unit.
Lambda.
It's here centimeter, huh? And here it will be centimeter per second.
Okay.
Worksheet on general properties. Have you corrected? Yeah, your answer is correct. I can see 40.32. Yes, 40.32 meter per second is the same. As the wave passes into the shallow water state, what happens to the frequency? Frequency is always same. The speed decreases. Shallow water speed will decrease. Calculate the frequency. Frequency is 5 hertz. Yes, correct. And then what is meant by the term transverse wave motion? It means that the motion of the wave is perpendicular to the direction of its energy turn, then it is a transverse wave. Transmission of energy and no transformator. Hmm. So here 3 marks, right? Tamjid,
Yes, sir.
here 3 marks. That's why you add another point. That is, and here you wrote energy transfer, right?
Yeah.
After this you write and no transfer of matter, and no transfer of matter.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Draw a diagram that represents a transverse wave traveling from left to right across the page on your diagram level. The wavelength, the amplitude. Wavelength, yes, correct. Then we have amplitude. Correct. Frequency. Longitudinal. State one other example of this type of wave sound. Yeah, wavelength. Wavelength you got 1 centimeter. Yeah, wavelength you got between these two. Yeah, listen, you got here scaling, right? The given scale. Hello,
Yes, sir.
Tamjid. Hello, Tamjid.
Yes, sir.
The given scale is in meter. So you follow that one and get the reading directly from the given scale in meter. Then you convert it to centimeter. Do it now.
Oh, okay, okay.
Do it now quickly and
Yes,
tell me the answer.
it's 100.
Yeah, you just get it in meter first, then you convert to centimeter. First you get the gap in meter, like this one is 1, then here is 2, so 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, then 1.35, right?
Yes, sir.
Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
It is 1.35. Label it
Okay,
1.35.
okay, okay.
You see 1.123, 1.35. Right here 1.35. And then here we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is 0.45. So 1.35 minus 0.45.
So 90,
Check.
90 centimeter.
0.090 meter. This is your wavelength.
Yeah,
Yeah, then you multiply with 100. What is coming?
90, 90.
Yes, 90. And the range is given over there. Range is given from 85 to 99. It is the range. But your one came nicely 90. It is accurate one. Okay? So it's clear.
Yeah,
Now,
okay, sir.
now let me check. You corrected it, right? Now let me check your other questions. And then, yes, this one we already told, right? It should be centimeter, huh? It should be centimeter per second. And this one is also corrected. Hmm. 8.95 remains the same. Now the MCQ part. This is correct. This is correct. This is correct. Yes, it is also correct. It is correct. Wavelength decreases. This one you corrected, right? 12C.
Yeah,
12C.
yeah.
Without transferring matter. And this one is A. Correct. This one.
স্যার তো আমি কালকে কি করব
Yeah,
লাইক
I am
আমার
now uploading. Now I am uploading light one. Okay. Topic 14 light one. We are
আর লেন্স
uploading.
কখন করব
Sorry.
লেন্স লেন্স
Lens is in light. Light, we have
Okay.
reflection of light, refraction of light. Then at last it has lens. We have ray diagrams before. Uh, yeah, lens. We have ray diagrams. We have also short-sighted and long-sighted eye. Right? Everything is in light. Didn't you see the learning outcomes of syllabus? Topic 14 is
Yeah,
the
sir.
biggest one. Topic 13, uh, topic 15 and topic 16 altogether, what is the size? Only topic 14 is the same size. It's a big topic, topic 14, and for that I gave almost 40 MCQs. So you try only MCQ part. Okay, you cannot finish the worksheet only one day. You try, huh? Try
Sir,
the
parbo.
MCQ. If possible, do, but I don't think you can do because it's a big one. The
Sir, কয়
whole
পৃষ্ঠা?
topic to read it, you need lots of time, and to solve, you need also time. So if you can, that's welcome. Try it.
আচ্ছা,
Now I'm
sir, what
uploading.
about the no what
Note
about the
I'm
note?
uploading now.
Oh,
Note and worksheet now I'm uploading because here you
okay.
see I wrote here today I had planned. They did not do, but today I had planned to start this one. Okay.
Okay.
Today I
Oh,
had
হ্যাঁ স্যার,
planned. In
আর একটা
group I
বিষয়।
gave that posting. You see, group I said. You see, in today in Google Classroom I did not give the posting, but in group I told that I am going to start light. If if we could finish it earlier, hmm, yeah, then second meeting we could start light. That was on my plan. Okay, so we are done with general web properties, right? Abir,
হ্যাঁ, হ্যাঁ।
Abir,
স্যার আবির নাই। আবির
Abir
নাই
is
স্যার।
not there. Abir is not there.
স্যার
So yeah, tell me, huh, Tamjid.
আ আ আ আমার আম্মু তো আপনার সাথে কথা বলতে চাইছিল।